Right, welcome back to another comparison video. Thank you very much for commenting on our last video. And the one you guys have selected is beacons.ai. That's going to be beacons.ai versus PrimeLink to see which one is better for your business, but also which one is the most affordable. Because at the end of the day, we need to cut costs when we've got businesses. And let's dive into that video. Right now, like I said, Beacons AI is the challenger today where creators come to make it. Okay, so let's just dive into their profile a little. They do have that link in bio. They have a media kit, email marketing, online store, and it's powered by AI. We can see some of the people that use it on there. You can see they do have quite a few followers, so it is a popular one, but let's go in a little bit deeper. Okay, so they are claiming to be a full creator platform. Everything you need to build a business in one place, no code or design team needed. Do it all from AI powered link in bio. Okay, so they've got their next generation link in bio, a fully customized link in bio to drive engagement. All of your links in one place, designed your way. So it is very good graphic wise. We can see there's different selections. You can create and send emails to fans, sell more from your creator store, make brand deals happen, invoicing, AI brand outreach, other creator apps, and sync and track your creator income. Okay, so they are saying you can save money, ditch your other tools. So they do have a couple of selected on here. For example, like Canva, Calendly, Bitly, MailChimp, Gumroad. Okay, so what they're saying is you don't need to pay everything for that. You can literally do it all in this app. But let's see their pricing. Okay, so we can click on this section above and you can see that they have an annual plan where you do get 2 months free. Creator Pro, which is $8.33 per month, billed annually. Store Pro, $25 per month, billed annually, or their Business Pro, which is their top plan, $75 billed annually. Okay, so they do have a monthly option as well. So it doesn't look like, okay, they do have a free plan where you just get your customizable LinkedIn product. You can sell products with a 9% transaction fee and customizable media, but they don't have that lifetime option. Okay, so what we can see here as we scroll down, you can see the free plan. Business Pro is what normally, their top one is what you normally get everything. And as you can see here, there's all the ticks, unlimited, daily, unlimited, less than 6 hours response time for their personalized support. So it definitely looks like a good project. This is obviously a huge amount. You're looking at nearly $1,000 for a year, but let's head on over to PrimeLink. Now, if you are new to the channel, I'm going to run through PrimeLink quickly on their homepage and through their pricing, and then you can comment down below your opinion, which one you think is the winner. Okay, so what we can see here is the PrimeLink. Obviously, one of their big assets is the one short link, infinite possibilities. Okay, so what that means is if you get one of those really long website addresses where it's got about 1,000 characters after, all you have to do is simply put it in here, shorten the link, and they will shorten that link for you. So it's easy. For example, look, primelink.net smart. Now, what this means is you can do smart deep linking. So if you want someone to download an app, you send them this link and it will automatically download it from Google Play or even App Store. Once they've logged in, you can have the access that you want them to have. Okay, so features that you'll ever need. Okay, so they do the custom landing page. They do the CTA overlays. That is basically where it uses an overlay tool to display unobtrusive notification, polls, or even contact on the target website, which is obviously, like it says here, great for campaigns. So if you have a 20% off, you can have that little pop-up on the screen and you can do that all within PrimeLink. You've got event tracking, smart targeting, track everything, team management, branded domain names, campaigns and channels, and developer API. Like I said, you can track and optimize so you can see exactly who's visited, who's scanned the QR code, and who's viewed your bio page. Also, if you do have a big team and you are a social media influencer and you have like a social media planner, or you have other people that you will want on this project, they have that for you. You can collaborate with your teammates. You can add up to multiple people depending on your plan. Not only that, but they have integrations. You can have WordPress, Zapier, Google Tag Manager, Facebook, Google Analytics, Reddit. So many different things with tracking pixels and notifications. So many different people that are like social media specialist, marketing manager, web designer, digital marketing director. And as you can see, they're powering over 8,363 links, serving over 2 million clicks, trusted by 3,188 members. Now, let's look at the pricing of PrimeLink. So obviously, as you can see here, monthly option, you do get that free plan with up to 50 links. You get the bio page, you get the QR code, you get data retention for 30 days. But if you are a big business, personally, I would go for the lifetime option. And look at that. Every single thing I've just gone through, unlimited, forever. You've got all the ticks, everything in place, 30-minute API rate. You've got 100 file hosting. You've got 5,000 megabytes file storage. And that's for one lifetime fee of $349.99. So that's not a recurring payment. That's once you've paid paid that, this is yours for life. And that's for an agency. So you can have, let's take a look, how many team members can you have? Unlimited. So you can add as many people as you want to this plan. We'll access all of your links, access your bio page, access your websites, access everything that they offer for that one lifetime fee. Right now, that was the comparison between Beacons AI and PrimeLink. Now for me, clear winner, PrimeLink hit the mark. I personally love that lifetime option and love every single feature that they offer. It's not a case of you have to buy this to get that or this to get that. You pay that one fee and you get everything that PrimeLink have to offer, from landing page, bio page, to your shortening links, to your QR codes. Everything is there for one lifetime fee, or even the monthly options, which the maximum one is only $50. Beacons was $90 per month. So obviously for me, that is a clear winner, but let me know down in the comments, and also let me know in the comments who you want me to compare next with PrimeLink, and see if we can find anyone that matches what PrimeLink have to offer. Thank you very much. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of our next video. Peace.